What's up, everybody? Zia Mel with Zia Mel Exterior Home Care. We on another one, guys. Just want to come to you, man. This video here, I was scheduled to come here to do a house soft wash here on this property, do a gutter cleaning, driveway and sidewalk cleaning. One thing, guys, that all of us pressure washers should do when we get to a home, we always want to do an oxidation test, okay? And that's just very simple. Just do a swipe of the vinyl, of the stucco, of whatever surface the house is. You know, always do a swipe test. And if you have residue on your hand, guys, that is signs of that house being oxidized. Okay, I kind of said this briefly on one of my other videos, but when that house is oxidized, that means that house has lost its UV protection. Once again, your vinyl, soffit, gutters, trim, all of those things have a shiny coat on them. And that shiny coat is like a clear coat on a vehicle. And that clear coat protects the home, okay? Once that clear coat has been compromised, that house is now oxidized, okay? So what that means is when you put your house wash solution mix on that house, you're not just cleaning the vinyl, you're actually trying to clean the paint inside of the vinyl because of the UV protection. The clear coat is broken down. So a way that you can test this, guys, you just walk up to the property and you just do a swipe test, okay? Do a swipe test that lets you know. All right, so that part of the house is perfectly fine. But let's say you try here. Look at that, guys. See that? And that's not dust, guys. That's actual paint, okay? You see that? That's oxidation. So now you're taking a risk with washing this house with your traditional house wash solution. Because once again, it's not gonna just clean the exterior of the home, it's gonna now want to clean the actual inside of the vinyl, okay? And we don't want that to happen, because when that happens and that house dries, it's gonna show where that application was able to impede on the broken down vinyl and where it wasn't able to impede on the broken down vinyl. So you can have stripes in the vinyl, you can have you can have all kind of stuff, guys. But what I did notice when I walked this property down is that the front of the property, as you can see, this vinyl here is more of a light tan color, but this vinyl here is a more rich cream color. So what does that tell us? This part of the house still have its UV protection. That paint color is protected. This paint color here is compromised. It's lighter. Like I said in my videos before, it's just like having a old red pickup truck that's losing its clear coat. That truck is now starting to look like a weird burgundy color. So that's the same exact thing that happened with these vinyl homes, guys, with your fascia, soffit, gutters, your trim, you know, same thing happened with it. So I spoke with the client, I explained the situation to him, and I'm here to wash this house to keep the HOA off their back, okay? You know how it is, guys. The HOAs, they see a little mold and mildew, and, you know, they subpoena you. Just joking, but, you know, they want you to wash your house. So, and that's what we're gonna do. So, for the areas that I feel confident that aren't oxidized, like this wall here, we're gonna use a house wash mix ratio. And on that front side, and the far left side and the back side, we're just gonna use moderate water, guys. I mean, that's all we can really do at this point. The house is oxidized, it's compromised. And but we're still gonna move forward with the driveway cleaning, and we're still gonna move forward with their sidewalk cleaning, and we're still gonna clean this gutter here out for them as well. And I spoke with the homeowner, and he was very, very honest. He said, you know what, I have washed that house before, and I did use pressure. And you know, it's awesome when you're dealing with clients that are honest. And you know, he said, I did use pressure. He said, I used the pressure tip when I cleaned the house, and that's why you see what you see. And I explained to him the process that us professionals use in the pressure washing industry. You know, yeah, we pressure wash, but when it come down to these homes, we're actually doing a soft wash, guys. Low PSI, the application does the cleaning. No pressure involved, guys, okay? So my big unit on my trailer is a 10-gallon per minute machine. It can go up to 4,000 PSI. And I kid you not, guys, if I was to put that gauge on that machine right now, I'm probably a little over 1,000 PSI. So just a service announcement out there, guys. It's not the pressure that cleans these homes. It's not the pressure that give you that look you want, okay? A, it's the application that you're using to neutralize the organic growth. B, it's the volume that you're using, guys. The volume has really nothing to do with pressure. You know, it could be confusing for some people who don't know this lingo or who don't know this kind of talk, but it really has nothing to do with pressure, guys. But I'm gonna quit ranting. I just want to come on and just have that talk, and just want to just, you know, put it out there, man. Some people don't know, and for some people don't know, hey, I hope this can help them. So that's what we're gonna do. All right, we're just gonna use moderate water in some of the areas that look dusty on that far right wall, where it still has that real rich cream color to the vinyl siding. We're gonna use the house soft wash mix ratio, and we're gonna clean this driveway. So guess what? Come back to you. Peace. All right, we're gonna go ahead and pre-treat the driveway with a house mix ratio.